Kling AI has been getting a lot of attention lately. If you follow AI news at all, we have probably seen people posting incredible AI generated videos and saying they were made with Kling. The quality is genuinely impressive. Some of the best I've seen from any AI video tool. So naturally, I wanted to try it. I went to the website, created an account, and tried to make a video on the free plan. And what happened next is exactly why I'm making this video, because I want to save you the time I spend. I'm going to show you the full experience, the sign up, the interface, which honestly is one of the most impressive dashboards I've seen in any AI tool. There are features everywhere: video generation, image generation, AI effects, lip sync, virtual try on. It looks like a Swiss Army knife of AI creative tools. But then I tried to actually generate a video, and that's where things went sideways. Let me show you what happened. Alright, let's start with Kling. Here is the landing page. This is quite wholesome. A lot of items, a lot of things, a lot of action buttons. This looks interesting. I just straight away clicked on video generation, gave it a prompt. I'm keeping the same prompt what I've used on the other tools. We'll see. It has the option of seconds. I'll test to 5, 3. I'll just try to keep the maximum that's possible for 5 to compare the other platforms. So it also has this feature of multiple shots for a video, like the start frame and the end frame. So at the current settings, it is requiring 45 credits. And we get 66 credits in the free plan. So you have the option to change from 3 seconds to 15 seconds, the length of a video. I'll just keep 5. Aspect ratio as 16:9, but you can use 9:16 for your Instagram or TikTok videos. Number of outputs: 1 is free, 2, 3, 4 are paid. And it's 30 credits. Oh shoot, what's that? It says the queue for the free plan is busy now. I didn't think that would be an issue, but here it is. This is a big turning point. I'll try again. Let's see. Guys, just remember that we are in the free plan and these are the options that we get. 66 credits and a chance to be in the queue. I think this 15 credits, the basic one. I just hit create for the basic video 2.5 turbo option. We haven't purchased any credits previously. So they have different options here for their engine that they are using. So video 3.0 is the new and the latest, but that uses 30 credits for the same prompt that I'm providing in the same settings as compared to video 2.5. I just hit generate. Yeah, we are facing the same issue. The queue for the free plan is busy. Upgrade to fast track generation to get results in as fast as 3 minutes. That's not good. I mean, I think it's forcing us to go on a paid plan. We heard that Kling has really good video qualities, but I think it's only limited to the paid plans, not for people who are just starting their journey under the free plan, testing out if this tool is actually for them. So they also have an option of video 2.6, which adds in sounds. Come on, we need to get a video, just a plain raw video of 5 seconds. Let us do that, please. Nope. It's very limited. I might be in luck. Maybe you guys can be in luck if you try at different times of the day and there is not too much traffic on the website under the free plan. You are able to generate, but for the time right now I am trying to do, it's not letting me create a video. They really have good videos out there which are created by other people, but for us, we are not able to create an output to compare to the other people's outputs. I'll try again. Let's see if we are in luck. I'll give the same prompt. Try 720. Same 16:9 ratio, 5 seconds video. And hit generate. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. No. It won't let us do that. At least me today. I'll try again and maybe upload another video where I was able to, but for the time being, it's not letting me create a video in the free plan. Let me be fair here. Kling's AI's technology is clearly impressive. The interface is packed with features, and the sample videos I've seen from the paid users are some of the best AI generated content out there. I'm not saying Kling is a bad tool. What I'm saying is, the free plan didn't work for me. I tried multiple times and the generation queue was always too busy to actually create anything. That might change, maybe at different times of day it's less crowded, but in my experience, the free tier was more of a look but don't touch situation. If you are comparing this to something like Luna, which let me generate a video in minutes on the free plan, or even Runway, which at least let me do image to video, Kling's free experience falls behind. Not because of the technology's woes, but because the free plan doesn't actually let you experience the technology. My recommendation: if you are serious about AI video and willing to pay, Kling is worth exploring. But if you are looking for a free tool you can actually use today, start with Luma. Full walkthrough is linked in the description. I am testing every major free AI tool on this channel and giving you the complete unfiltered experience each time. If that's useful to you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you have had a different experience with Kling's free plan, I genuinely want to hear about it. Drop a comment. Maybe I just had bad timing. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.